Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create repeating tasks in Microsoft To Do. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to to-do.office.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log in using your Microsoft account credentials to access your To Do dashboard. After logging in, you'll be on your main To Do interface where you can see all your tasks and lists. Look for the button that says Add a Task and click on it. This will open up a new task entry field where you can start creating your repeating task. In the task entry field that appears, type in the name of the task you want to repeat. This could be anything from daily stand-up meeting to water the plants or submit weekly report. Make sure to name it something clear and descriptive so you'll know exactly what needs to be done each time it repeats. Now, directly under your task name, you'll notice several icons representing different task options. Locate and click on the repeat icon. This icon is specifically designed to help you set up recurring tasks, which is incredibly useful for activities you need to do on a regular schedule. It saves you the hassle of manually creating the same task over and over again. After clicking the repeat icon, a menu will appear with several preset frequency options. You can choose from daily if you need the task to repeat every single day, weekdays for Monday through Friday repetition, weekly for once a week, monthly for tasks that occur once a month, or yearly for annual tasks. If none of these standard options fit your needs, you also have a custom option that allows you to create a more specific repetition pattern tailored to your exact requirements. Select the frequency that best matches how often you need this task to repeat. Microsoft To Do will automatically configure the task to reappear at the interval you've chosen, helping you stay on top of your recurring responsibilities without having to remember to add them manually each time. Once you've selected your preferred repetition schedule, simply hit the Enter key on your keyboard to save and create your repeating task. The task will now appear in your list and will automatically regenerate according to the schedule you set. And that's it. You've successfully created a repeating task in Microsoft To Do that will help you stay organized and never miss those regular activities. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.